we are drawing a wind turbine. Yay! So, let's get started. First, let's draw a small circle right in the middle of our page. This is the center of the wind turbine, like its belly button. Now let's add the blades. We'll draw 4 long curved triangles coming out from the center. These are the wings that spin in the wind. Now let's draw the house or the tower where the blades are placed. Let's give our turbine house some style. Add a door near the bottom and 2 little windows above it, 1 on each side. Time to add some nature! Draw a line of grass at the bottom of the page and add some fluffy bushes on both sides of the building. Now, let's draw some mountains behind the turbine, tall and pointy like triangles. And don't forget the clouds up in the sky, puffy and light, just like marshmallows. Now we will highlight our drawing. Time to color our drawing. Let's color the blades yellow, like the bright sun! Friends, wind turbines make electricity using wind. Wind turbines don't pollute the air. They use renewable energy, which is good for our planet. Gets some fun too. Let's mix yellow and orange here for a shiny look. Now color the windows blue, just like the sky, and the door orange to match the center. Friends, do you know? A big wind turbine can make enough electricity for hundreds of homes. Let's give our building a nice, different blue color. Calm and cool! When there are lots of wind turbines in one place, it's called a wind farm. And it looks really cool! Use 2 shades of green for the bushes to make them look super leafy and fresh. Now, color the mountains with 2 browns, maybe 1 light and 1 dark to make them look real and rocky. 2 shades of green for the bushes to make them look super leafy and fresh.
The grass green! Yay! Now our picture is full of color!
And it's done! Bye, friends! Let's meet in the next video! And do like the video and subscribe our channel for such videos. Also share with your friends.